Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best secret alternative app store for your Unlinked, which will allow you to jailbreak your Fire Stick. Or in other words, get loads of amazing apps which are not available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And the very first step is you need to get the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get a downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search. There it is. Open the search bar and start typing downloader in this search. And as you can see, it has already popped up for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here's that app, which you need to get to your device. But then, after you actually got the downloader, it's not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up the loader, is you need to go to settings. So don't worry, we'll do that together. Click that button with the gear icon, scroll down, and then open My Fire TV. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the A/B debugging, then head to install unknown apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader and just turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we just go back to a list of apps in our Fire Stick. Here it is, let's open it up. And now there at the bottom, you will finally see downloader. But before actually using the loader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is simply connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Latvia right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps in a Fire Stick. Here it is, let's open it. And now there at the bottom, let's find the loader and get ready to use it. So open it. And now here, firstly, we'll need to enter a link and get the unlinked application to your Fire Stick. It's gonna be unlinked dot link. So once again, it's unlinked dot link. Just enter it as you see and click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. Then this web page is gonna open up and you just have to click on download APK for Android right here. And the download of the app has started now. It only took us a couple of seconds. Then click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. Then don't click open yet, instead it's better to press done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on a Fire Stick device. So click delete and then delete once again. This way you will save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. Then we need to go to settings one more time. So open them, go to My Fire TV, go to developer options again, install unknown apps, and this time you have to turn that option on for Unlinked as well, as we'll be using Unlinked to get other applications from the internet. And then we go back to a list of apps on your device, open it, and there at the bottom you will find Unlinked as well. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with three horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then let's go and start using the Unlinked on your Fire TV Stick device. So here in the app, you have to click on Add a new library. And now, there we need to enter a code, which is going to be Fire Media as a word. You have to type it in together. So Fire Media, just like that, as you can see on your screen, and then click Next. And now, here I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. And basically, you get all kinds of the apps you need. Movie apps, TV shows, live TV, live sports, spice applications, and so on. So that's one of the best alternative app stores that you could use in 2026 on your Amazon Fire Sticks. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time. As always, bye bye.